Welcome to our van life with our three little dogs, episode 81. We are so sad to leave Canada, but we had an amazing time and cannot wait to go back. Thank you for joining us with this incredible journey. There will be many more, so stay tuned.
Hello everybody, the van doggies have made it back to Lake Louise campground. We are getting set up. I'm gonna make some steaks that I got in the Lake Louise markets, looking pretty good. Some strip loin steak, and it's Canada grade AAA. We'll find out what that means. So we're doing steaks, potatoes, salad, and getting ready for a long day of driving back to the States tomorrow. So after I make dinner, we're going to do some research around where we're going to go tomorrow. We might go through Montana and try to hit Glacier, because we were going to try to hit it on the way up. We might try to go down and hit Yellowstone, because that was also potentially an option. We might also try to go all the way over to the coast and then go down from there, the Washington or Oregon coast, most likely Oregon. So we will let you know once we have it figured out, probably later tonight, and we'll probably be doing a long day of driving to get to our destination tomorrow. So we'll keep you in the know.
These chihuahuas are waiting for dinner, which Sean is making dinner outside. And BobaFett, she's been very moody today. I think she got really tired from her walk at Lake Louise earlier today. But these two girls, Bail Organa on the left and Chewbacca on the right, they're just being very patient, waiting for food, waiting for dinner.
Good morning. It's our last morning in Canada. Lake Louise, getting ready to have the sunrise, and no bears last night or this morning. So it is 7 a.m. Mountain Time, 6 a.m. Pacific. We're about to get back in a Pacific time zone in a couple hours. And part of our routine is switching these chairs around. We're brushing our teeth, getting the chihuahuas situated, meds, and we're pretty good if we only have the set, pack up the Starlink and a couple other things in the van in the morning. We are ready to roll. Take off these covers, take off the front cover, and we are on the road heading back to the United States today.
Good morning, everyone. We are back at the border. We're headed off to Idaho now from BC. And we've had such a great trip so far, so we are very thankful to have made it all the way to Canada, especially given we had issues in the beginning, both with our Volta battery and then Chewbacca's health issues. Chewbacca's right there. We're stopped at the duty-free shop right now. I wanted to just get a couple of more things before we head on out. I wanted to get a few ketchup chips from here and a few souvenirs from our trip. And right now it is currently 12 p.m. and it's about 55 degrees. Beautiful, beautiful views out here. We are probably gonna drive another 7 hours or so before we stop for the night. So we'll keep you guys updated with our journey and talk to you soon. We're back at the border. So this was Yak Kingsgate and Idaho. What part of Idaho?
Northern Idaho, probably closest to Bonners Ferry, Sandpoint area. So just kind of in the middle of Northern Idaho.
This border, I believe, will just go by very quickly.
Yeah, there's only a couple cars in front of us.
Compared to if we were going through the Vancouver border.
This guy's running. It looks like there's a lot more trucks than regular cars.
And it smells like horses.
We got a lot of livestock
cows
next to us, yeah.
So we are back in the States and we got boarded by the immigration officer. Basically, he just asked if we had any, what was it,
alcohol, tobacco, fruits, vegetables, and he wanted to double check, so he looked in our fridge and looked in the back, and that was it.
Yeah, it was very quick, and now that we're back in the US, we are gonna go find our next camping area, and not sure how long this rain will last, but it will be a good one because our car is so dirty. So our van is getting washed right now.
We are here at Rufus Landing, dispersed camping recreation area. That's the Columbia River right behind us. We're gonna be able to wake up right on the river, and we got some, not too many neighbors. A little bit over there. So, safe, right off of Highway 84. Just a little bit in between the John Day Dam and the Dalles Dam. So other than the highway traffic noise and the train noise, I think we're going to be able to sleep real well. It's been a long day driving. We started our day in Banff, and it rained almost the whole way to Washington, and now we're on our way down to California tomorrow. So it's been a very wild trip. We're definitely going to want to summarize our thoughts for you guys tomorrow, but for now we're gonna get these chihuahuas refreshed and get ready for bed. Looks like there's some RV spots over the hill too. And then there's a pit toilet back there, big clear area there. So there's where we slept last night, right along this recreation area with a few neighbors. And here's entry point to the Great Columbia River. It's right down to the waterfront. Little campsite. I'm down. Storyteller. That's totally. I think that's a storyteller. Is it?
It's a rebel.
It's a rebel.
Lots of van lifers here.
Wow, we stayed on the non-populated area. Look at all the, wow, look at his, he's got so many surf areas. Lots of doggos.
So this is where all the windsurfers probably camp and where all the